Hello everyone, welcome back to TechRill. Today, we are diving into an exciting new feature in GitHub Copilot, notebook support in Copilot Edits. Whether you are a data scientist, developer, or just curious about how AI can enhance your workflow, this video is for you. Let us explore how Copilot can help you create and edit notebooks effortlessly. GitHub Copilot is evolving beyond just code completion. With Copilot Edits, you can now make AI-powered changes across multiple files with just a single prompt. And on top of that, now Copilot Edits supports the Jupyter Notebook and is available in VS Code Insiders as a preview feature. Notebooks are an essential tool for data science, machine learning, and documentation. They allow you to write and execute code in an interactive format, combining markdown explanations with executable code cells. With Copilot Edits, we can quickly create Jupyter Notebook and modify it based on our requirements. We have opened an empty project with a data.csv capturing some data here. In the Copilot Edits, going to ask Copilot to create a new notebook to analyze the data in specifying the file. As we attach the file already, there is no need to call out this file again, but here I just captured it again for completing a proper prompt. Copilot start analyzing the requirement, and it's going to create a new Jupyter Notebook with pandas for data analysis and visualization. And the notebook include data loading, basic analysis, salary distribution, and age distribution. If we want something else, we can enhance it. We'll come to that later. The initial notebook is completed. We can view here. Let us execute block by block. The first one, I'm using a virtual environment for running this one. It's displaying the data. That's the first area where it's imported the required elements and displaying the data, and doing a basic analysis on this one where the age and salary base count, mean, standard deviation, everything is captured. And now it's going for the salary analysis by occupation, and it's plotted the graph, salary distribution graph against the occupation here. The salary for a nurse, manager, architect, HR, different distribution is captured. The next one is an age distribution. Here a different graph is used for analyzing the age distribution and how many number of employees have within a particular range. The age between 25 and 30 is having a more number of employees. And average salary distribution by city. With the help of Copilot Edits, quickly we are able to create a new Jupyter Notebook based on the data we provided. Now the notebook is ready. If we want to enhance it or add more data into this one, we will be able to enhance using either chat or edits. Let me try to edit this notebook with the help of Copilot Edit again. I'm asking Copilot Edit to add a new visualization for age by salary. A correlation between these two values needs to be plotted. It's going to add new cells to the same data analysis itself. It's created a scattered plot showing the age by a salary distribution, and there is a regression line show the trend, calculated a correlation efficiency, and uses appropriate terms. So it's all captured at the last block. Let me just keep it and run this particular one. You can see that age bias salary correlation, there is a float and the trend diagram combined together as a single visualization here. It's plotted both. If you want to add more details, you can use the Copilot Edits to edit even multiple notebooks. If you have multiple notebooks and you want to edit at a time them, you can use Copilot Edits to enhance the notebook. For example, I am just adding another data points here. It's city.csv. Come up with the data here, asking Copilot to create a CSV file with data or create CSV data for cities in India and corresponding population details. So this part I need as part of the my city.csv file. It's adding some data. So just take the data for time being. We have the population based data. There is a city state population matrix is available. Let me ask again Copilot Edit to create a new notebook for analyzing hash file city.csv. This time it will create a second CSV file for analyzing the data in city.csv file. Copilot completed the editing, so I just kept that one. This is the city one, just running the blocks. The first one is just displaying the data, and the second one is the basic statistics. It includes the data sets and the summary of statistics, and the next one is population comparison, density analysis, floating cities per state analysis in a nice pie chart. This looks good, colorful pie chart indicating the distribution of cities by state. If you want to edit something for both the files, we have added both files into Copilot Edit, and I am add a correlation analysis block to both notebooks. Here we are doing a multi-file or multiple notebook edits. Just simply set a correlation analysis based on the field. Let the system decide which different fields needs to be correlated. In case of data analysis, it's correlated against age and salary. For city, it's correlating between population, area and density matrices. So the data is getting added. There is a block is added for data analysis, one block for city analysis. So let us keep this one and run the newly added visualization. Copilot Edits came up with a beautiful correlation matrix for the city against population, area and density. Let us see what it's added for data analysis notebook. Again, a correlation matrix between age and salary. Cool. So we did the creation of a brand new notebook with the help of Copilot Edits by supplying the CSV data, enhanced or added new data for individual notebooks. Now with the Copilot Edits, the core functionality is you can edit multiple files at a time. We are able to add new correlation blocks for both the notebooks, and it's working fine. It came with a beautiful correlation analysis with the different fields in the underlying data model. Notebook support in Copilot Edits makes AI-powered coding even more accessible for data scientists and developers. Whether you are building a model, documenting a process, or analyzing data, Copilot can now assist across your entire notebook workflow. Excited to try it out? Update your VS Code insiders, enable Copilot, and start exploring notebook edits today. Share your feedbacks. Thank you.